Hello everyone and welcome to a newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. My name is Daniel and I'm going to show you some cool stuff today. First off, I'm going to show you some really nice bucktail. Bucktail in a good quality with long hairs has been so hard to come by. We've just gotten a restock of these after maybe, I think, almost 2 years. We've not been able to get any large. Now we have some large in stock, but stocks are depleting very fast. I had a customer who bought 33 of these, and also the price of these has been reduced a little compared to the last couple of shipments. So if you need bucktail, now is your chance to get some. Because this will only be as long as stock lasts. So if you're in the market for bucktail, then swing by Nordic Anglers because you can get some really awesome ones there just now. So bucktail back in stock, and that is really amazing. I have added a lot to my personal stash as well because I needed those a lot. That was the first thing. The second thing is these. These are the new products from Smain. These are basically dubbing needles, but they are very beautiful, engineered and really thought through dubbing needles. 3 different sizes: a midge one that is blue, a regular one that is red, and then a large one in green. And what I think about these is the same as I do with all the Smain products. These are just the finish of these are just nice. They're very nice to have in your hand, to hold in your hand, and it's just a thrill to pick one of these up and use in all your fly tying. Also, another cool thing is the Regal toolbar. The Regal toolbar is available in, I think, 6 or 7 different colors. It's by far the best designed and also best quality of toolbars for your add-on to your vise, as I've seen. And the custom colors here, the orange, for instance, as this one, or the red, or the green, or the blue, or the purple, are all really nice. They're thought through and they just fit any vise really great. They of course fit the Regal vise, but they also fit Rensetti and all the other ones. And I must say the custom colors here are just really cool, and they look absolutely amazing on any vise. And then you can have all your different most used tools close at hand very easily and very cool. So just wanted to show you these off because well, basically I just bought 2 new ones for myself and I'm just really happy with this product. It's sturdy, it has the right weight, you know, it just feels right in your hand and looks perfect on your vise. Another thing are these. These are the C-Run Fly Factory, basically a big mat for your fly tying station. This is the most strong and most thick and best quality of the fly tying mats I've ever tried. It's more thought through. There are just some really good distribution of places to store both beads and hooks and all that stuff. It also keeps your vise completely secure and firm on your tying desk, and just the quality and feel of this is really awesome. So if you're looking for the ultimate fly tying mat, then the Fly Factory from C-Run is a good bet for exactly that. Finally, we have quite a big stock of just simply a ton of different add-ons to your Rensetti vises. And that's why we've decided to put some of these on sale. So now you can get, for instance, something like this. This is a speed crank for your master vise. We have those for the presentation as well, but we also have crank handles, for instance, for all traveler vises. We have lap extensions. We have the more heavy pedestal base with the magnets and stuff, and all of these has been reduced in price now. So basically, if ever you wanted to add something to your Rensetti vise, you should swing by Nordic Anglers to see some of these amazing and cool add-ons to optimize your Rensetti vise so it fits exactly your needs even better. And as I said, we have reduced the price on these, so now is the time to actually go and get some of those. And there's also some extra arms for making intruder flies and all things like that. So basically, a lot of add-ons, a lot of new features to add to your Rensetti vise, now reduced prices. Well, basically that's it for now. So if ever if you need some bucktail, a new cool dubbing needle, or just want to swing by to see our really big sale with more than 2,000 products reduced to up to 70% on fly tying, you should definitely check out Nordic Anglers if you haven't done so already. And if you have, swing by and see all this cool new stuff anyway. I think that about covers it. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best of luck out on the water. Thank you for watching. That's it. Woohoo!